Hi, I'm teacher Stephanie, and today we are going to do a science experiment. With just a few materials from the kitchen, we can make ice cream. Are you ready? Let's get started. We will learn about salt. How can salt make ice cream? We are going to make ice cream in a bag. You will need half a cup of half and half, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/3 cup of rock salt, crushed ice, a gallon-sized bag,
Big bag.
and a quart or sandwich-sized bag,
My bag.
and measuring cups. Mix the ice and the salt together in the big bag.
Ice. Salt. Double.
Now, mix the half cup of half and half with the tablespoon of sugar, and the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and pour it into the small bag. Seal the bag completely. Put the small bag in the big bag. Seal the big bag and shake for 5 to 10 minutes. Normally, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. But we need the liquid in the bag to be even colder than freezing. It needs to be less than 0 degrees. So when we add salt to the ice, the salt makes the water freeze at a lower temperature, less than 0 degrees. This will make the ice cream very cold, and eventually it will freeze the ice cream. When we shake the ice cream bag, it lets air mix with the milk. That makes ice cream thicker. You can add more ice or snow if you need to.
That's funny. No.
Keep shaking. You can wear gloves or mittens if it's cold.
Gloves. Madden. There's no
Remove the ice cream from the bag. Let's try it. Now you can eat it. Mmm, yummy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ice cream, ice cream. Okay.
Goodbye.